Alrighty, the new signals are in and active here at Alta lane on the UP Peoria Sub near Dunlap, Illinois. This work was completed sometime late last year in 2021. Not sure exactly when they finished it, but in any case, here are the new signals. Gotta be careful because the ground's very mushy. So here's the western signal. It's typical with UP installs GE LEDs and Safetran frames. NEG E Bell, Siemens base, Siemens gate mechanism with the newer imprinted logo, Safetran junction box on the side, more GE LEDs, and the gate has newer striping with NEG clear LEDs. And there's a back view of the western signal. At the same time, they also did replace the little distance signal here that was here before. It's got a brand new signal with two lights. Not sure if it's yellow and red or green and red. I haven't seen it lit yet, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Wait for these cars to pass by 1 second here. Why is traffic gotta be busy on this road right now? Over this side. Finally gonna run over here. And then here's the new relay bungalow in the northwest quadrant. One thing UP's been doing now is they've gone to the metallic sided bungalows for newer installs now instead of the beige painted ones that they were using beforehand. This appears to have started last year. The first one I saw was down in Mount Vernon on the Mount Vernon sub. Actually, I think that might have been going for the Pinckneyville sub, but it was in Mount Vernon. But seems to be the trend now because I've seen these pop up in other places too on the UP system. So looks like UP's joining the rest of the Class 1s now with the metallic-sided bungalows instead of the beige-painted ones. There's still some new beige-painted ones that are still not active yet on the Geneva sub, but those will probably be some of the last ones to be active if UP continues this trend. Here's an overview now looking west. You get a look here at the eastern signal. Again, same thing, GE LEDs and Safetran frames, NEG E Bell. And this crossing already had an NEG E Bell with the old signals, so the sound didn't change much. Side view lights of the Safetran junction box. Another Siemens S60 with the imprinted logo, and a Siemens base. Back view of the lights. And the gate also has newer striping with NEG clear LEDs. And there's a back view of the eastern signal. So that's another gateless crossing that now has new signals. I'm sure in time the rest of the gateless signals on the Peoria Sub will fall. But when that happens, we'll just have to wait and see. This has been the Alta Lane grade crossing update. Rest in peace, old signals.